Wait, your phone can do what? Here are 5 hidden smartphone features you probably aren't using, but absolutely should. Stick around, number 3 is a total game changer. First up, secret taps. On iPhone, double tap the back of your phone to take screenshots, open apps, or even launch shortcuts. Android Pixel has this too. It's called Quick Tap Under Gestures. Same magic trick. Next, your phone can screen calls or transcribe audio in real time. Pixel and Samsung phones have live transcribe under accessibility. It types out what people are saying as they speak. Also, Google Pixel has call screening that answers spam calls for you, like a personal assistant. Big phones? No problem. Use one-handed mode to shrink your screen. iPhone. Swipe down on the bottom edge or enable. Android. Look for one-handed mode in gestures. Just swipe down on the navigation bar. Want to remove photo bombers? Android's Magic Eraser on Pixel lets you erase objects in photos like they were never there.
iPhone? Hold on any subject in a photo to lift it out and paste it anywhere. Instant stickers. Finally, let's make your battery smarter. On iPhone, optimize charging to reduce battery aging. Android, it learns when to charge slowly for longer life. Which of these features blew your mind? Comment below your favorite and share this video with a friend who needs these tricks. Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button if you learned something new. Traffic.